Okay, hi everyone. So today I'm live and like today I'm just going to deploy a web app. This is the project by the way. I just got it from Freelancer. This is project for 30 to 250 USD. So I need to deploy a PHP app in Docker. This is something. See what's the exact project is. That one. Okay, that's the website I thought. It is a PHP website, complete website, front end, back end, and all database. And what the client want, these are the files I thought. Yep, these are the files. The app required PHP my admin, my SQL support. Also, I need to dockerize deployment to support a domain with SSL certificate. Actually, it need also a SSL certificate. So I hope that he want to deploy it on domain also. Okay, finally I need you to test this locally on a fresh Ubuntu machine. Okay, locally I want to test it in Ubuntu machine to ensure that it work on a planned deployed environment, and the previous developers was unable to get this to work on Linux with console error. Okay, okay, these are the documentations. Freelancers who are keen on this project should include example of their past work, particularly project where they have Dockerized PHP application. By the way, I don't get it. By the way, the client is not giving that project to me, but I have each and everything, which is be like documentation and all, and the project is also. This is the file of that project, so I will do it by my own, not because of that client or not, and all. I just i just teach you guys like how we deploy a application on Docker, and a full stack application on Docker. And even it has a some kind of problem if I just deploy a little bit a small website, then it is completely different when I just go on the real time project. So it is a real time project and real time problem. Okay, so I need to fix it. So let's quickly see that. Quick installation getting started. Log into the cPanel, create a new database that will be used for gobbling installing, and everything is live. By the way, you can check the tutorial how to set up MySQL data in cPanel if you are not familiar with how to configure database. Log into the cPanel by accessing www.domain.com/cpanel, navigate to the MySQL database, and that the step where upload the file to the server, install. Okay, okay. So at the end I have that problem. So I need to download these files, these documentations, and I already downloaded. These are the documentation which the client gave me. These are the files I thought. These are the complete files. This is the public section. Okay, front end, back end, and whatever it is. So let's make something. Can I do that one, or I can do something else? Like this is a PHP application. By the way, I'm a Mern stack developer. By the way, so I have a good knowledge of Mern stack. So if I just search it, some Mern stack application, Mern stack. Okay, these are the Mern stack. Okay, so according to this uh, tutorial, I will show you how to deploy a MERN stack application. Okay, end-to-end complete application. So I have a MERN stack app on my own repo. Let's go there. There is something like testing 3. Yeah, this is a MERN stack application. So I'm just going to deploy it, and not even deploy, I just make a pipeline also, a complete declarative pipeline, and then deploy it. So let's start. And it's my okay, and everything I will do on Ubuntu 20 and 22, whatever it is, but it is 20, then I'm okay with it. I will do it in Ubuntu, and I can use Jenkins. Yeah, I can use the Jenkins in my local. Okay, even I have a knowledge about that, like how I deploy it on server, like on AWS and all. But right now I'm just doing everything in my local. Okay, so let's make a directory which is new project. Yeah, new project, and then go inside and then git clone. It is just trying to clone that git repo. Where's my phone? Okay, it's clone. So let's check it. Yep, there is something like testing as well. So there's already a Docker Compose file, front end, back end, and README file. So we are just remove that and make by on. So in the front end there is also file which is Docker file. So let's check the Docker file. What is it? Like it is running on the node. It is running on the node, and it copy run from engine. Okay, actually it's be like mm, yeah, that's okay. Even this is also written by me. So let's do it again. So I'm just going to remove that Docker file. Okay, and then do it again. So this is my front end. My front end is written in React. Okay, so let's create a Docker file for my React application. So vim Docker file from node. And I thought in this application the developers use 16. I thought not 16. I don't remember the exact one, but something like that. Okay, that's my phone. I'm just searching for my phone. Let's check it. Everything is okay. Okay, that's the Node 16. And now we are just declare the work directory. What is my work directory? /app. Okay. Now we are just trying to copy. What should I copy? I should copy a package. I'm just make a like very easy Docker file. I'm not trying to make a like uh, stage build Docker file. I just make it very easy for you guys. Package dot json. this. Okay, and then just run npm install, and again I'm just trying to copy everything, and then cmd npm install. So that's the complete Docker file. It is in a easy way. Okay. Number first, what's the Docker file just do? It is just taking that node 16L file from the Docker hub, like from the Docker registry, and then create a slash app directory, and then copy all the package.json file to that hyphen app directory, and then npm install, and this, and I'm just going to save it. Yep. So this is our Docker file. Let's check it. It's working or not. It's taking some time because node is not so. Uh, so let's check it. Docker. By the way, let me include a note here. Number first is we need to install Docker first. So I already installed Docker. If you don't know how to install Docker, then there's also a lot of video in my channel. Just check it out. How to install Docker, okay, and how to configure it. So Docker build. Now I'm trying to build that front end. Where here? Okay, there is a little bit. Okay, so now I need to change the ownership of Docker. So slash where slash run slash Docker daughters. Okay, yeah, it's it's running. It's just going to build it. So now it is just pulling the image from the Docker registry, like Docker Hub, and just taking some time. And now it is just create a app folder in the container and copy the package.json file. It's just like a warning. It's not be like very. It's warning. It doesn't matter a lot. It's just a warning. Okay, don't be afraid that warning, that red color. Oh my god, red color. Like what should I do right now? Don't worry about that. It's just a warning. Okay, everything is running perfectly. It is taking little bit of time because it's trying to install the packages, like install the dependencies in the container. That's why it is just take some time. Okay, so we are just waiting for that. Okay, it's built already. Let's try to run it. So how do we run? Docker run hyphen D just for detach mode, hyphen P. What is the port of our that front end? So how do we how to know that, like what is the port? So if you want to know that, just do like cat package.json and then just check here. There is some kind of port, or you just ask to your developer like what is the port of front end. The front end port is 3000. So let's go to docker run hyphen d hyphen p and 3000. We are just connect the port. By the way, I just forget in that, but let's. What is the name of our front end? Front end, and then yeah, let's check it. It's run or not. It's up 3 seconds. So do you want to see that? Like, do you want to check it's running or not? So how do we know that? So we just curl on HTTP. Sorry, localhost on the port of 3000. Let's check there is something or not. Yeah, there is something, not something. There's a lot of thing. So our front end is running completely fine. Just check here. Front end is running. But right now my backend is not running. So I have to run my backend in Docker. By the way, just fill it up. Docker ps and docker kill. What is the ab? Yeah, just trying to kill it because we are just run that like both front end and back end and database. All the three container run simultaneously. Okay, so that's why I just kill that and remove that. Remove it and just go back to our backend, then backend, and just see here if there is something like docker file, then just remove it. Remove docker file and just make another docker file, which is vim docker file. Okay, and just return down, sorry, from node 16, same alpine work directory, same. Sorry, just fine. Work directory is also same, which is slash app. And then the third part is what? Third part is what? Third part is just copy the dependencies. What are the dependencies for backend? Same package.json where here, and then run it. What do you want to run? npm install, and then again copy each and everything and expose it where we want to expose it. I thought backend is running on the port 8000. I thought so. Let's expose it 8000 because by default is in the node.js port is 8000, and then cmd npm same start. Okay, let's try to build it. Docker build hyphen p backend and okay, So let's do it and check it's running or not. Yeah. So docker run hyphen d hyphen p. What is the port number? 8000. Let's connect the 8000 with 8000 and the backend. It's okay. Docker yep. Docker ps. Let's check it on where http localhost on the port of 8000. Let's check. Yeah, API not found because let's check there is some problem. But I think my backend is not connected. I thought that's why it's just tell me logs 4D. Mongo is connected. Express app running on the port. It's running. It's completely running, and okay, it's completely fine. So our front end, back end both are running, and our MongoDB is also connected with it because my MongoDB is running uh, on the cluster on the cloud. So now what I need to do? Now I just kill that container. What is the name of my container? 40 and remove it and make a Docker file. Docker compose, sorry. If you see there is also a Docker container here, Docker compose file. So just check it, the Docker compose file. That's the Docker compose file. That's my front end service, back end service, and then database. Okay, then first clear and remove that Docker file, and then make a new Docker compose file. Docker compose .yaml, and what is the version of my Docker compose file is 3. We don't need to do that much. We are just Docker compose man. Just check it. There is something or not. Just copy paste the examples and all and then change it. Where's the example, buddy? Yeah, make a Docker compose file for Munstack app. So it will create and then change in it. Don't do a lot of hard work, okay? Just do a smart work. So what we do in the service, there's a Mongo service. So it is just taking the image from the Mongo and container Mongo and we start always and volume. I just remove the volume because I don't need it. The port, Mongo is running on the port of here. So this is backend. This is backend. This is container name. There is restart. Depend on Mongo environment volume. And my backend is running on the port of 8000. 8000. And this is client. But the problem is it does not give the content. So Mongo is okay, but Node.js is not okay. This is my backend. Backend and content is what's happened, buddy? Where it is? Backend is just go inside. Mm, what the hell is just doing? Why it is just taking the add content and yeah, this one I want that. Where's the content, yeah? Hmm. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem. It's right. I thought this is also a way. Actually, I know another way which is be like content, but I need to change bracket. This is container name API, and the one is called frontend, and the container name is client, and env is okay. Yeah, everything is okay. I thought. Yeah. So let's try to do something like Docker compose up -d. What's happened? Let's do something. It's running or not? Yeah, it's trying to run the packages. Warning. I thought my backend is running perfectly, successfully tag with that. And right now it's running my front end. Okay. It's taking a little bit of time. Just notice and warnings doesn't matter a lot. Everything is running, buddy. Just see here. It's running, buddy. It's running. I thought. Just wait a minute. Wait a minute. चौदर पूरी जाट की रे चौदर पूरी जाट की हवा बनाई गाड़ी रे. Oh, sorry, I just forget. Just check here. Just copy. Yes, and there's everything is running. Mongo is running. Backend is running, and the front end is running. Everything is running. What the hell is this? Just localhost 3000. Hmm, hyphen http localhost 3000. Yeah, everything is running. It's running. It's running. It's taking little bit of time. I thought. Yeah, it's running. It's running. And my backend is also running. Just check it here. Just go in the network section and there's fetch. Yeah, just do just make a normal request. Okay, like test 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 test. And when I just send the consent, let's check it's running or not. Backend is taking a little bit of time, but it's a problem of node. Yeah, yeah, status 200 and data save. So my request is just gone over there. Just see here the status 2000 is okay. So everything is okay, everything is perfect. My web application is running perfectly fine. Everything is okay. Thanks for ChatGPT also for making a little bit of help. So now just go there. And now what do we need to do? Right now we need to install Nginx by which we can use the reverse proxy and then just attach this. No. Do I need to do a little bit of like I just need to do a pipeline also by which everything will be like automatic, and after that I will install Nginx by which I can serve the website. So right now I need Jenkins. Let's see, do I have Jenkins or not? Systemctl status Jenkins. Do I have it or not? Oh, sorry, systemctl. Systemctl Jenkins. This is not the command of Jenkins. Services. I don't think there's Jenkins or not. How do I check Jenkins version? Just check it Jenkins version. Just check it. How do I check? How do I put install? Status Jenkins. It's right. My command is right, but I don't think there is Jenkins already. So what I do, I also make it easy for you guys. You just go on the Hashi node, and there's my account, which is Sarthak blogs. Here I just write some blog for you guys. So you just need to go and then install it like this. Just make it copy and just paste it here. It is just install the OpenJDK 11, and then you have to go on downside and then copy this and paste it over here. Okay, it's running. Yeah, paste anyway. Yeah, it's running. I thought just taking a little bit of time. DevOps is not for impatient persons. DevOps is for patience person. DevOps always check the patience level of a person. So if you don't have enough patience, don't come in the DevOps section. If you have a lot of patience, then you can come here and just do the fuck you are just doing. So my Jenkins is installed. Just check systemctl status Jenkins, and it's running as you see. So now what I want to do now, I just go in the Jenkins and then make a little bit of things like make account and all. Localhost. What is the Jenkins by default port, which is 8080 or 8019 or 8080? That's the by default port in the Jenkins. And that's the admin password. Just copy it here and then just do that and copy. I don't know what the fuck it is, but it is the way by which you can do the work, and you don't need to save any kind of message. Just install the recommend installations. It's also taking a little bit of time. the progress. ऐसा कोई सैर नहीं जगह जाऊं नहीं. Just taking little bit of time. So here we just check everything is running. We just need to down everything. Okay, I just down it each and everything. I will up that thing on Jenkins. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to check the ownership of. I will give the ownership of Jenkins to the dot run dot. What is that? Mm, Docker dot sock and then OK, and it is also taking a little bit of time. Let's go there and then check the ls hyphen l. I thought, yeah. So there is also a folder which is docker.sock, and the owner of that folder is Jenkins, and second owner is Docker. No, first owner is Jenkins, second owner is Docker. Okay, so just go outside, and it is also taking little bit of time. Yeah, just write it here. Just go inside and update and then finish and then start the Jenkins. Just do it fast, buddy. I'm sorry because I'm frustrated also. I know. Jenkins pipeline. Just write it here. Pipeline, and I'm just making a complete long running activity pipeline. This is a pipeline. Okay, don't forget. Just fuck the GitHub and just make a pipeline and agent. What agent? Agent any pipeline, and I just forget the terms. If you just forget the terms and then you just do that. And what I need to do, simple step, build a job, then just do that. Project to build. You have to enter a project here. What is the project? That's the project. I need to build it. Just copy the project, go and paste. Generate pipeline. Why? Build another dictionary pipeline. For what? What's the sample of? I don't remember a lot. Actually, there is a lot of things. Simple build Docker file pipeline script. What is this? Yeah, I think no, I don't need it. I don't need it. What the fuck it is? Why ChatGPT? Tell me groovy syntax. Yeah, what the hell? Yeah. This one I want. This one I want. I just forget that stage is a stage and steps. Just fuck off. Stages, stage, and steps. And here what I need to do? I need to take the GitHub URL, and that is the URL from which mm, don't afraid of writing wrong code and all. You just do it. After that, we will think about that. I need that's the stage. Okay, just copy it, paste it. I need only two stages. Mm, Docker compose, and the first one is clone the code. Okay, there's two stages over here. Clone the code, and you just need to copy it because there is some syntax error and all. So make it correct. So we have ChatGPT, then why we are not using that thing? Okay, so that's why I just use it. And if there is any problem, then it will be solved right now. We are not that kind of ox who is just doing a lot of hard work. Okay, understand, and you better understand. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think it's running, by the way, because of the thing is because there is a lot of errors over here. I see that. Then why I just run it? When it is just trying to clone that, then it's trying to up it over here. Yeah, it's running. I thought it should be run, but hmm, it should be. Well, I don't know, but let's check it. Let's check it. Just go output console. Okay, it's recommend cloning the repo. Cloning the repo. That one. It is just trying to clone it. Get in it. Pipeline. Git version. Right now it's trying to clone the repo. Only clone the repo. Understand? And you better understand. Okay, first step is done, and the second step, wow. First step, the cloning the repo is completely fine, and the second step is also trying to run it. Let's just see here. It is on the build stage. It is on the build and up stage. Okay, it's running. Let's check it. It's running, buddy. And if I just see here, like Docker, yes. Oh, sorry, I just forget. Just go inside. Yeah, all the three containers are running, buddy. Wow. So it's connected with the pipeline. And what I need to do right now? I don't need to do anything else. I don't want to do anything else. I just need to kill them. Docker, kill all of them. Then, and now we are just trying to check it here. It's running or not because I just pull it down. Yeah, I just pull it down. Now, just trying again with the pipeline. We are just trying to build them again. So in the shape you just see here, yeah, it's running. Oh, so it's up. Let's check it here. It's running. Okay, so according to this it's completely fine. And then if we want to check it here, then it's running. Docker compose down. I thought it's not working because I am not up this container with myself. I just up it by Jenkins. So I just kill all of them and remove all of them. Remove all of them. And what I need to do? What I need to do? I need to uninstall the Jenkins. So uninstall the Jenkins in Ubuntu. He said like just stop the Jenkins first. Okay, and then this command. Yep. ChatGPT make the things easy for developers and DevOps, because if I just trying to find the error, then it's hard for me. And but like it's just time consuming at that point of time. But ChatGPT make everything easy for us. It is not taking our job, buddy. It is just make the thing easy for us. It's good for us. It's not bad for us. So now I just remove the Jenkins. Let's check it over here. Yeah, it's removed. It's completely removed. So have a good day. If you have any query about the Jenkins, about the pipeline, about the Docker, about the Kubernetes, about AWF, AWS. Okay, if you want, I just make a full legit project and I just deploy it also. then with AWS, then I will do it. Just comment it over here, comment in the down commenting section. And wow, that's enough for me. Okay, bye bye.